Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel.
Today I'm going to be making 2 slices of this Zero Carb Bread.
Keep watching so you can see how I make these French toast.
I will be making French toast for Bill this morning. So I'm going to show you my recipe. I have 2 eggs in this bowl here. And I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of whole milk. You can use almond milk, whatever you like. I have 1 pack of Stevia I'm going to add. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. A half a teaspoon of nutmeg. A half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And let's just mix that up. And I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. Let me do that now. Salt. Okay. Let me clean up my station here a little bit. This is the bread that I'm using for Bill's French toast. I'm just going to use 2 whole slices. So I'm looking at 9 carbs and 9 fiber. We've both been on this keto diet for 2 years now. 2 years and some months. So I just added the bread and I'm just mixing it up in the batter here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the skillet on medium high. I already have some butter in there. I don't know if you can see that right now. Butter in that pan that I'm gonna cook his French toast in. This is a very easy recipe for French toast. We are not a big bread family anyway. I used to make bread and I used to give it away because we don't really eat a lot of bread, but I know he misses his French toast, so that's why I decided to add this recipe to my YouTube channel, because some of you, might want bread every once in a while, and you can use this recipe to make the French toast. It's a very good recipe. I still had some left over, just a little bit. So I'm just going to pour it over on the top of this bread. We'll pour the egg on top of the bread. That's just what was left over. You can buy this bread at Aldi's. This is where I bought this bread here. And they have different kinds, and they say 0 net carbs. This eggshell. Put an eggshell in there. But it is 0 carb if you subtract the fiber from the carbs. It smells good, looks good. He's gonna love this treat this morning. Okay, it only took about 5 minutes or less to cook the French toast. Just add that to a plate. There's the French toast.
Thank you for watching Betty's Cooking Show. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day. This is what I'm having for dinner today.